9 office them plus 3 places where they keep things them for inside. E burn for inside Akwaye na fire wey cash. For night breaking this Thursday morning, na so to go take una enter for Pituare, where would hear say for that side na some other fire to a burn inside some Binet people them place. Tori for this afternoon go take we to go for Tico subdivision, where would hear say accident it be happen for day on a Wednesday breaking this Thursday, and we hear at least 6 people them they get caught the day for on top sick bed. We go take una to enter for inside Fako division, Limbe 1 subdivision, where for that side with the yes na 2 chiefs them, one for Livanda and the other for Bonadikombo. They say na problem for land where e go one surely divide them, but just now as we to really enter for we hear the chief for Bonadikombo he never yet talk, even as we the chief for Livanda he talk say land where they be checks in a Bonadikombo their own, e be na their own. Inside the same Bonadikombo we go talk as we Binet e don't wrong for Binet people them for inside the market for Bonadikombo, where the year say since when this problem starts, instead for the normal 2 days for market, Thursday and Monday, it be na only for Thursday where they make them strong for the mami them, where they carry their cargo them from different village for come sell for inside Bonadikombo mile for market. Now so too go take una enter for chapter for Corona, waiting be the latest update for Corona inside the whole world. We go bring them for now, and with the year say Denmark, it don't deny say they no go use injection for corona where they call them say AstraZeneca for secreting. They say the thing surely get problem, it dey make blood it tight, so Denmark it don't suspend that corona injection as we tori it dey enter for inside we hear. We go talk chapter 2 for newspaper, waiting with them talk, and case for person wey don lost this afternoon. Big people them talk, it dey tell we say fowl e no fit drink water, then e forget for put e head for up. Fowl e no fit drink water, then e forget for put e head for up. Big people them talk this afternoon. E comot na for Charlotte Muse e dey look we inside Limbe. We return back small time. Country people, then we salute una for Tori house here. Before we enter for Tori self for this afternoon, wanna sabi self say na today we honor them. They turn back for National Assembly, and the same today Senate people them too they go turn back for National Assembly. But the question with people they ask and just now if na Kabayege Jibril it go remain again on top chair like president, sabi say when they meet up for New Year that they ever vote the new president. So for that side, so for inside Senate people they ask question if Inyat Masen Jifenji na it go so remain like president for inside Senate. All man they stay wait, but sabi say as we honor them, they start their work today. One of the honor the way no go dey na honorable Ngujede wey SSF e be die last year with the year say na this weekend where they go make cry die with the year big prayer for that side. So for double PCC, and after that one they put flower on top grave and item 11. So honorable them they go definitely be for Douala here for cry their friend wey e die for number 17 day for May 2020. Tori for this afternoon, we take una start with this fireway start where it happen for Aqua, where the year say at least 9 office them burn, 3 places them where they stored a cargo them for inside to a burn. Now for some story building where they for Aqua here where the fire is start for cash yesterday for evening time as we Tori enter for we here. It is fireway cash as we hear. It provoke even governor where the shidon for that side, so for Bonanjo for Cam, other big people them too for inside Douala they come out for come see as we army rescue people them turn for lost this fire. Sabi Seb say no be na only the army rescue for Commandant Kadri Abdiel where they be fit for lost fire. Even army rescue come out for poor their own motor too it become for can join hand plus the army rescue for people them for inside Godi, and they want to for airport. So it be then a big fire where it be cash for some old story building. Even as we old we hear say office they be day 9 9 office dem burn, and 3 stores dem wey dey dey pack cargo for inside e burn. So we hear say 3 army rescue pipo dem too dey dey wey for sika plenty smoke, dem too dey collapse, so dey carry dem run go with am for hospital. So na the result that for the fire wey catch inside Akwa on a Wednesday night inside Pituare for for chapter for fire for that side. So for Pituare na for inside Marua wey we don enter. So army rescue people them too, they no be sleep overnight, breaking this morning time country people them for that side. So for Pituare as well na the Siam na another house where e catch fire for side for Pituare, plenty thing them burn, pot, fridge, one already Siam, and other thing them we burn inside the house. Army rescue people them for side for Pituare, Marua, they be only turn for Sia, so they feel lost fire. But Sabi say before they be one succeed, finish or lost that fire. Now so to the fire, it be don't cause plenty chakara for inside the house where it burn for quarter where they call them Pituare for that side. So for Marua. Cause for this fire, I no sabi, no person no get caught, no person no die. Army rescue dey only work their work for see say make the fire e no continue for waka for enter for different place, but cargo dem burn inside this fire wey catch for place wey dem call am say Pituare for inside Marua. We go left chapter for fire just now, we enter for different chapter. Sabi say the army rescue people, they know the only go lost fire. Their work too, e dey now for help people them where they hear about. Like this 63-year-old woman where she done for Wali quarter for Kuseri, time where they call army rescue people them, they talk say the woman, he food them, you know the waka again, the woman fall, he go unconscious. Now for the way they call 118, now them say they run go for inside Wali quarter for that side. So for Kuseri Marua side for go comot this woman for a house, as well they comot the woman from a house direct, they take it go now for emergency unit for that side. So for Kuseri hospital now for inside Marua. As we talk, no be now only for fire wey army rescue the lost arm, but the day too when accident happen, they present. When person he want even born self for house, army rescue they present, and even person they hear about for inside the house where ambulance no fit come out. Now so them, so they get plenty other work them wey they do. No be now only for lost fire, as we wanna say when I don't see am. We go take una enter for student them quarter for Boya country people them. Now big snake that wey university picking and other college picking them for dirty south inside Molaiko Boya. They be kill am. It be then yesterday for night country people them. No ask me who fair make am before they sabi say snake e dey for outside, but sabi say this picking them they sandai. They talk say they no go sleep until they see say they kill that snake where it be get egg inside the skin. Apart from the egg, we hear say they so they turn up for the as well as the Siam. They burn the snake so they see say the snake it burn all before they come out for go sleep. And Sabi say since na woman snake where it be there with the egg inside the belly, it show say maybe the man picking on too, it go solid there for corner. So now for this picking them for dirty south inside Molaiko Boya for them for the shine eye, and again make company where the give light, make them no forehand for the picking them for can say if no be na light wey be dey sef, maybe they no for people see the black snake wey e be don dey enter sef inside quarter wey pikin them for university they dey shidon for day, and even other school pikin them for inside Boya college them wey dey shidon, and higher school for learn book wey dey dey. So na the snake wey the pikin necessary dey turn up, they make na all night for say make they kill am, and if you point the snake fine na egg then that will be dey inside the snake belly. No be na small snake, na big snake wey if you for enter for one person in the house, if for cause plenty chakara, and we no sabi wetin wey for do. So they kill am, thank God, but make they shine their eye and make company too dey the give light as well they talk. Make them no forehand for people them for dirty south. If woman is there for corner, it means a man he must to surely dey, and the man go surely one for can show his face. Inside gendarme them office for Yawende, now 3 boy them that where they catch them where it dey so they don't go dig bone for village for that side. So for a Betua as we tori enter for we ear, and they be the camp for can sell the bone them for Yawende. Now for them gendarme people they say they catch them now bone for die body for person where they don't go dig am, they be the bring am for Yawende. Gendarme people then say they catch am for Ayos as we tori enter for inside we ear. We go take una enter just now for another chapter for tori for this afternoon. Accident. I say wetin? Accident wey e happen for Tiko Douala Road. E be na late afternoon for Wednesday, as so we dey enter for evening for break this Thursday wey we dey so already. Na motor, if you say I'm saying na bus and some other private motor wey dey make serious versus for that side. They talk say the accident e happen as so e just pass Misaka Junction village, the road wey dey enter for Misaka village, wey e dey continue for go for toll gate. Na for the way this accident e happen, and tori wey enter for we hear the tell we say wetin dem no fit confirm if person e die inside this accident, but all thing e dey show as wey dey talk for we at least 6 people dey on top hospital bed wey e dey so dey get caught after wey dey make this accident. Over speed and plenty hold them wey dey for that Tiko Douala Road. They don't blame am, say na some of the thing them that wey e provoke this accident wey e happen just after you pass entrance for Misaka village, wey na the very first village you dey meet up am after wey you cross Mongo Bridge for enter for Southwest region. So 3 people dey on top sick bed as so here, and as so talk we no fit confirm if some person e die, but the shock e be dey plenty as we tori enter for we ear. Inside this chapter, we go remain for Fako division, wey just now problem e dey between Livanda and Bonadikombo village. As so the here chief for Livanda e dey claim say e dey so people dem for Bonadikombo they don't enter inside e own village, so they dey put even quarter head for e own village side. Na wey dey so the chief for the Livanda wey is except e carry caterpillar, e don already start for open road. E don talk say the quarter head wey they put am inside village or the quarter wey dey for inside Livanda village, e no go work for sake say na e own village that say no other village e no fit enter for this. So Chief Motia wey na be the chief for that side too for Livanda, e don talk say na on that side wey Bonadikombo e dey check say na land no be na land, but we try for talk to the chief for Bonadikombo. E no dey for town. E don talk say wetin say e dey so when e turn back they go see as well they go sit down, they settle this matter. Say 2 chiefs them they no go the fight for sake say some 1 quarter day wey one chief e dey claim say e dey na for e own side, wey the other chief too e check say na quarter wey e dey for e own village. So when the chief for Bonadikombo go turn back, e go settle the matter with Chief Motia for that side, so for Livanda village. As we tori enter we hear, we go surely hear from them when we turn back. Tomorrow, mile 4 Bonadikombo na market be that, and we hear say people them for the market sef they don't provoke country people them inside the market. Binet e no dey happen again as well dey used to happen years back. Sabi say this mile 4 Bonadikombo market we get village people them from Bojongo, Wotutu, Buana, Busumbu, Domaton, even Monkey Hill and Ewongo, where they carry thing them whether na popo you want cho, whether na fresh pepper, whether na cola, even bunga fish wey dey comot, all thing na for inside Bonadikombo mile 4. But just now since when this problem start, the Benin people there they be used for sell for day one, they complain say IDP then too they don't come back for inside market, so they get now small people them where they come buy, then plenty people them where they sell. On top that one they be used for sell now 2 days them before this problem for Northwest and Southwest it starts. But just now they sell now only 1 day, they be used for sell for Monday and Thursday. And Monday since when the problem start for Southwest and Northwest, we sabi self say they don't talk say na day them for country Sunday. So side where the market day na place to a boy them with gone they ever pass. So mommy they talk say them for save their hate for say make they no enter for shock. Monday they know they come the market, and Thursday when they come out now only them they full up for market for say IDP then too they don't start make their own market. One day when they come by they know they plenty. So trouble a day inside my 4 Bonadikombo market where you fit get all kind of jam for inside, whether na okra or anything we want for buy, and banana e dey even plenty where you want buy cuckoo e dey plenty other thing them. But for sika waiting problem for Northwest Southwest, Binet e don't go down, and mami they say na only for 1 day. Make we hear this mami them they talk for we, they be the talk for Davidson Maimo.
My own suffer with the suffer. If you come to your own country, you not doing fine. You go for outside country, you're going to not fine. Suffer.
I said, market need the worker, self with the suffer. The Christ is not nothing in worker.
As I tell you, nothing. See more than people say, one food, see the office, not to be worker.
Yeah, when they breathe all my day fine, we they fine. No, they fine. We from my phone would have suffer because of the crisis where they.
You will see them sell the plenty pass buyer.
All IDP then they don't flock for my phone.
Man, the child will survive. So now they survive na true family.
And just for Sabi country people them, we be try for ask this mommy then when them be the autotong the people there they don't she don't plenty for market. How they feel where they sell now only one day. Monday and Thursday be that no normal business day, but now only for Thursday for sika the problem.
One time for 1 week, so you know fine. Market 2 times again, before Monday and Thursday, but now market no day again.
Let's start sell for Monday, we sell only one day.
No, we get market 2 times. Why not get at 1 time?
Now how when the crisis don't come now, they say ghost and so any man the fear is.
They say na go star, all man the fear for come market.
Monday na country Sunday, so we need to sell for Monday. They be done bound them.
Yes, mommy then when they hear about say Monday, they know the fee for said that be net again, but waiting. They the one time just now from Gomna, they be talk for we microphone.
But problem is me feel the country. Because on sign will enjoy things on side he suffer.
Me they try to fix the country, at least me always to the fee free for inside the country.
Me comments make me all this war me stop.
I want make government solve problem for South Cameroon so that me all will be in peace. Papa, with the bed, even now can't tell we don't do it for you. Make you forgive will. How Jesus Christ will forget the other people there. Make you take will like on picking them. Make peace come back for Cameroon. We suffer. We don't lost for bush all.
Yes, na mami them that inside mile 4 Bonadikombo market trouble day and true trouble day. We no fit really confirm on top this chapter, but Sabi say on Wednesday e be day na some kind of day, e be just day some kind inside Bamenda. Gone 1 minute, place e quiet, gone again. People they just dey run any kind of way. Make we see.
Ready?
Yes, Bamenda, Ebibina, small Baghdad, or you want call them na small Aleppo. Now just so it be there on Wednesday, minute by minute, gone, ta. He stop, ta. It just dey confuse people them inside the whole town. Country people them waiting, consign Corona, the latest update we'll get. This number 11 day inside March, 118,006,453 people them. Total people there they don't get Corona since we start. Last year, 66,838,291 people don't already well, and 2,619,676 people they don't die for the whole world since Corona. Ekam, South Africa, according to the latest the number they will get from South Africa on Wednesday, inside this chapter for Corona for South Africa, as well as Sabi, the Tewi say na 1,477 new cases where they confirm and say they get Corona for Wednesday. Since Corona enter for South Africa, 51,015 people don't already die. 1,445,979 people don't already well from the sick, and doctor they don't already test 9,336,101 people them according to number the way come out from South Africa on Wednesday inside a place where they call them say Ivory Coast, as well we hear them for that side for Ivory Coast. They try for tell we say total people there they get Corona where they dey for sick bed now 2,856, but for Wednesday 551 new cases where they test them positive for the Corona. 84 people them well, and no person no die since Corona enter Ivory Coast. 36,028 people them they don't catch the sick. 32,956 people they don't already well, and 206 people don't die for Sika Corona inside Ivory Coast as we tori enter for we here. Nigeria for Buhari country on Wednesday 394 new case already confirmed, and but since we corona enter Nigeria 159,646 people them where they don't get the corona, 139,983 people they don't well come up for sick bed, and 1,993 people them now the total that where they don't die since corona it enter for Nigeria. And wanna sabi say country people today when a number 11 day inside March now another day we say okay for sabi before we enter for that chapter so talk for now the injection that for corona sick for Denmark where they don't deny am, they call am say AstraZeneca with Denmark doctor them they don't see am say they like say they choke people them it make am blood it tight for people their skin. So just now governor for Denmark he don't talk say that AstraZeneca vaccine injection where they be the use am for look out corona sick people them inside their country, they don't put them for full stop, they wait for see whether the thing na the person in blood they fine or na the vaccine where they fine. So Denmark it don't stop for use AstraZeneca vaccine where they be the use them for look out people them where they get corona inside their country. And as well as Sabi, so for chapter for health this afternoon, people there where they get this sick. Sabi says say na glaucoma, yes, glaucoma. As well talk na today so we inside the whole country. They look inside the chapter as well glaucoma na that was sick. When your eye is start forget and country people, you self you know go fit for do. And so today big day for glaucoma. Plenty inside, plenty hospital them for inside a town. Plenty people that don't enter for check their eye. And Sabi self say this sick where they call am say glaucoma when it come you no fit ever sabi and you no go ever sabi whether you get am for your skin except say wetin you go for any hospital for go check. So big day for glaucoma as soon as see am na when pressure e enter over for your eye and your eye is start for comot some kind of water na the sick that where they call am say glaucoma. So today if you get eye problem na for you for go check anyhow anywhere where you want go look out your eye. We go take una one time, we go for Ivory Coast, country people them, as soon as Sabi big die, a day for Ivory Coast, Ahmed Bakayoko, Prime Minister for Ivory Coast no day again, and even Alassane Dramane Ouattara, President for Ivory Coast, na SSB announced for his social media, for Instagram or Twitter handle, for talk say this man, he died for sika cancer, and he died now for that side, so for German a country, so big cry die, where Ivory Coast people them, they get him, as say Ahmed Bakayoko, he don't die, Congo side, the meter we to say, even person way she done, for a chair, they don't take it go for hospital. That one na Congo side, it no be confirmed, so no talk say, Equinox zone talk say, you understand? So the tori wey get for put am for your head na say Ivory Coast their prime minister, head boy from governor, minister for defense, he don't die, he no dey again. Cancer na he carry hate, he go with am. We go take una now so talk chapter from Damba, and from Damba we this also continue for follow up. Sabi self say time where this African Nations Championship be starts. Military field for that side, so for Yaoundé, they no be the use am at all country people them. Military field for inside Yaoundé, now for day where they be put this house them for corona people them. Wanna sabi say they be put the house them for corona people them. Time with that corona is show you what face, so they be get by force for make small hospital them for on top the military field for that side, so for inside Yaoundé. Now he make am even as way African Nations Championship shan it be happen, they no be fit for use am like training field, but sabi say as well the big ones say be go dey come next year. This military field they get for use am, and na for sika why that we una see say they don't come out all the hospital bed where it be dey, and even as well the field it no be don't turn a fine for that side, so for inside Yaoundé the military field as well the talk work it don't start now they start this way the work it be day where they be dey come out all the grass after where they be plant that hospital them for day. We get for can come out all grass, so we here say just as we be help Cameroon for that side, so for Limbe Centenary Stadium, he help them too for Middle Farms, and we get for turn back for Boya with the here say Oga Mulongo na SSB day for on top the chapter as we they don't fix back this field for that side, so for military field na military field that for Yaoundé. So just now we make we see the new face for that field. Now the field is with the years a small time as we to really enter for we here na better grass where they don't don't plant them for the field, they go start for use them again. Maybe for we Elite 1 or League 1 Championship, Ndamba, or for League 2. Maybe even the woman them too. They feed the use them for Nangdamba. As so talk, now the same kind of grasses where they go carry them, go put them for Moliko Omnisport Stadium. Now Ogam Longo Scabo the here. Now they for on top this work as we Tori, the enter we hear say na so we walk so they be fit for use field them for Centenary Stadium, even the one for Middle Farms and the one for Moliko Beda. So I talk for now. Moliko field too. They go Chakada and with the here say the same Mulongos come. It go be part for say make the Chakada order field them, particularly the one for Moliko. Then they plant new grass before African Nations Cup, the big one where it go come next year. We don't finish story for this afternoon, but make we see way to way newspaper themselves then talk for we for this side. So for Equinox Story House, country people them inside Horizon newspaper where they outside Horizon newspaper where they outside this afternoon. Country people they talk as way people there they suspect say the whole gone they make them Bamenda work the whole Wednesday as way Horizon they talk for we inside Horizon 2 you go read to you concern Donga Mantum scholarship for with that one too, it don't be on that for place. If you read that chapter for Horizon newspaper, plus governor we get for put sote 47 billion for see as we tin them the fit on back for UBC and NFC. To read them day now for you for buy Horizon plenty. A day for insight. Another one, the guidance post. We'll look for insight this afternoon, country people. Guidance post is strong number the talk. Company where the local light. Now our national shame. Yes, our own national shame. Now waiting the guidance post. You try for me now. If you read them inside that chapter, you go read to a concerned CPDM Central Committee. Big man where it too. If they don't question it for Sika say it talk bad concerning the people that they on top chair. We all them. Now from the same party, the same pot for soup where they chop for inside. You go read other to read them inside the guidance post. This afternoon we enter for the post weekender where we get to for outside country people them inside the post weekender. They talk for we Wednesday. It be then a day with Bamenda quiet. So the two soldier them they die. Now they tie to that way the post weekender talk no be na Tori house. If you read to a consign West Cameroon, they talk for we as well some people them day on top money. Other one them, if they even see one pan rice or chop on one day, it means say they get lucky. You go read that chapter for the post weekender this morning or this afternoon, and you go read Tori to where they ask the post weekender Tori people that they ask them. Nkunkuma too, he go take that anti-corona injection when he come. Big question where the post weekender people they don't ask them to this afternoon and other to read them. You go read them. They get plenty thing them inside. Now for go buy your own newspaper. She done for one corner. You read them. Make we take on up their show one case for person we don't lost. Now this speaking where they just give you a photo where they call it Chenchwe Njine Ose where he don't lost and now Ganjine Pierre et the announce say any man we don't see this boy picky way come off for house he never turn back. Now for do waiting number for before tele 696 not 18702 676 not 13 644 number them where you feel use them for call organ Jine Pierre where he the beg say he picking Njine Ose he don't disappear and he never turn back for house. Country people them, now just so we see country this afternoon we dey talk happy birthday in Arias for Antonia and Njikang and happy birthday to in Arias for Komeremon we all them they get a birthday them on Wednesday. Once a big thank you for Amos Fongo we put camera for my before. Thank you for Zephren Gondi, he be there for backside. Malice, Nadine, all them they be join hand for Seme Tori Waka fine. If Papa God agree. Now, so for Friday morning time, we go meet up. On a whole, I'm tight.